Welcome to the Independence Public Library's instructional video for the Storytime Kit Paper Snow Globe. You will need the supply bag from the Independence Public Library. From home, you'll need glue, some markers, or crayons. When you've completed gathering your supplies, go ahead and restart the video. Inside your supply kit, there'll be a large piece of construction paper, a black circle, a rectangle, two circles, different sizes, a piece of chalk, and inside that bag, there's a small orange triangle. We want to lay our paper out, arrange things on our construction paper the way you'd like to have them for your craft. I'm going to put that circle, the black circle, somewhere in the middle of your paper, about like that. This is our stand for our globe. We'll want to probably put that, maybe something like that. Your snowman parts should kind of fit in the middle of there somewhere. The middle of your black circle. Kind of like this. Okay. Your little orange nose, your snowman's nose, you might want to just kind of try out where you want that to go. I'm thinking somewhere around there. Okay, so once you have that kind of laid out the way you think you'd like it to be, okay, or kind of have an idea of what you want to do, you need to glue your parts onto your construction paper. Okay, we had that pretty much centered in the middle of our construction paper. Okay, then your stand, remember we were going to put that kind of at the bottom. Okay. And let's see. I'm going to put mine kind of there at the very, very bottom of my globe. You can position that however far up or down you'd like it to be. Okay, next my snowman circles. I kind of wanted this guy right at the bottom. The big circle. And the smaller one, just above him. I think about there. Okay, now at this point, you can either go ahead and draw his face on or put his nose on first. I think I'm going to put his nose on. Somewhere around there. Okay. Now I'm going to use markers Okay, and give him 2 eyes. And a big smiley face, just with little dots. Okay. You can use whatever color you'd like. And then I'm going to give him 3 buttons. Something like that. Okay. Now I want to use the chalk. I'm going to draw his arms on. Let's see, I want him to kind of be here and here. We're going to give him some little stick fingers too. Okay. For snowflakes, like I put up here, I just do kind of a little, make a line and just cross it a couple of different times. Okay, that's how I did my one before. If you'd like to add a little snow pile behind him, you could do that too. Just kind of color that in a little bit if you want. Or leave it blank, that's up to you. Something kind of like that. There's your snowman snow globe. Nice job. As always, when you've finished with your craft, make sure and put your items away, your supplies. You did a fantastic job. A few of the books that we have at the Independence Public Library about snow or snowmen are A Perfect Day for It by Jan Fearnley, Snow Sounds by David Johnson, The Biggest Snowman Ever by Stephen Krall, and One Snowy Day by Diana Murray. We do hope to see you at the library soon. Stay safe. We'll see you soon.